Hello guys, today we are in Doha airport and we are about to fly to Colombo, Sri Lanka.
Yes.
We are super excited and we are flying from Bulgaria and we flew to Rome.
We had 1 hour stop in Rome. We
Yes,
ran for the
we were in a rush, and then from Rome to Doha we flew like 5 hours, so we didn't sleep. We flew like 7 hours and we have around 5 hours left, so we probably look a bit tired and a bit like shit.
But actually the flight were nice.
Yes, yes.
They were smooth so far. I actually managed to sleep a bit.
Let's go. We will actually fly to Colombo and we will arrive there, and some friend of Alessia's father colleague organized us a taxi, and our first stop actually will be Sigiriya, and we'll show you when we arrive. Hello guys, we arrived in Sri Lanka. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're in front of our homestay, but the host is not replying, so we just came here and we just sat on the ground. And they lost our luggages and we're left
What they didn't lose, just didn't send them.
No, we don't really know what happened, but we don't have luggages. We just have backpacks and we don't have clothes, don't have anything, but anyways, we will enjoy.
Yes.
The place looks amazing. It's super wild, it's super cool. It's written to not go outside at night time because of the elephants. Because of the elephants. We'll just go to take some coffee somewhere. We don't really know where. We probably look awful because we haven't slept, but soon enough we'll sleep. The dog is coming with us to guard us. Hopefully there aren't any elephants on the road. I can hear some like Buddhist prayer, or I don't know how it's called. Oh, fuck. Ah, this is the rock.
Yes.
We are super close. So tomorrow, when we are a bit better,
If
we will go to climb Sigiriya rock. Sanctified just to recharge our dead bodies before dying. We rested a bit, we slept a bit, we look awful. Yes. These are our only clothes, and now we are going to search for some place to buy some t-shirts or leggings or whatever we can find. And there are only socks that I have. Adidas with Nike socks. The shoes look awful. We asked the host about the wild animals when it's like dangerous to go outside, and he said because they wrote that in the night it's dangerous because of the wild elephants, and he said around 11-12 p.m. that they're going around. But like earlier, even if it's dark, they say that it's not a problem. So yes. Have flip-flops and some other things. Wow. Hello. They have t-shirts. Some photo shirts somewhere. Ah, this is the ass of the elephant. It's cool.
But put it on. Yeah, it's fine.
I think it's okay. Yes, problem. This is their helmet from coconut. It's very cool. Look. So yours. So can you give me a good price for all of this? One white and
Yes.
one grey.
If you want, you can take the 2 white also. I don't mind.
Your shoes have also grey.
I don't.
But if you want, we can.
Next
So we bought some clothes.
Should we take?
25 euros for USD actually. Or t-shirts down, leggings. So we buy
I think
something
he
from
felt
here.
pity for us.
Yeah, I asked for some discount and the guy was very nice.
Should
yes,
we take?
we should take. We
Yeah.
should take from this. Something soap, something soup for the room. I think I saw someone eating this and they were saying
Video.
they're cool.
Coconut.
Should we take one?
Yes.
What's this?
Isn't this green piece?
What? I want to try this.
Like that.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we got ourselves some clothes, some shorts, t-shirts, socks.
Yes.
So we're good now. Better than nothing.
Better than nothing.
Yes.
But it's actually not that bad.
No, no,
Just
no.
something that we like.
It's yeah. We can sit in the same place that we were drinking in the morning.
Yeah, we can. This is cool.
Yeah. So we'll come here in the same place that we drank the smoothie in the morning. Hello. And probably every guest wrote something here. Remember?
Yes.
Where?
Same place.
Yeah. It's here. Thank you. I brought chicken rice curry. Italian.
Ma there is bolognese marinara napolitana.
We're in Sri Lanka.
What will you take? You will take chicken biryani.
No, chicken rice curry.
I will take chicken biryani.
Okay. So what you got?
Mango juice.
And I got passion fruit juice. I think I never tried passion fruit actually. Try.
Their mango tastes different.
Yeah, it's less sweet, I think.
They're like more citrusy. Both of
Yes.
them taste like orange almost.
Yes, but different. It's very good.
a lot of food for me.
Wow.
This is chicken. This is a full chicken. Piece of chicken. That's really nice.
I got my chicken curry. This is the chicken. This what this
Potatoes.
potatoes with some like curry probably. This I think is
That's
also
the
some
curry.
type of curry. This potatoes
Potatoes,
again.
yes.
This is their typical like flat crunchy bread. And this what it is? Beetroot.
It's beetroot.
Wow. And some chili. We are going to eat. We ate very good. We are full. And now we will go in one other rock that our host said to us. But we forgot the name now. We will check it out. No. And
Mapagala.
Mapagala.
Yes. Fortress.
And our host said that the entrance is free and it's like 20-25 minutes hike, and from this rock you can see Sigiriya rock
And the sunset.
and the sunset. Yeah, so now we'll go. Please don't do this. This is the most stupid thing ever. Like, it's the saddest and the most stupid thing ever. It just ruins the vibe.
Tomorrow you got Dambulla candy for
No, tomorrow we are here. Yes.
If you need it tuk-tuk tomorrow, you should make my WhatsApp number. If you need any help for tuk-tuk, you
Okay.
can text me. I pick us up you anywhere.
Okay.
If you need it,
Okay,
I mean,
we will write down your
Yeah,
number
yeah,
actually.
the QR is no. If you need
WhatsApp.
for this.
Perfect.
When you need any help, because I drive Dambulla, Colonna, everywhere. When
We
you
will
need,
go around and probably we will need some time to go.
you need to go around the rock like this.
No, now no.
No.
If we need you, we will
Okay.
text you.
Yes, is my number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
when
you.
you need it, you can text me like a 5-10 minutes before.
Okay.
I pick us up.
Okay. Bye. Look at these accommodations, they are very cool. And with the view of
Yes.
Sigiriya. No, thank you.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow with everyone.
Archaeological site. It's Mapagala.
And so from here we start the hike.
Yes.
Hopefully it's not too advanced.
It's open from 6 a.m. till 6:30 p.m.
What time is now?
5.
5. Okay.
5
We have time.
20.
We got up here. The view is amazing. And from here we can see Sigiriya rock. It's amazing, like you should come. Like you
Yes.
have to come here.
It's a 5-10 minutes hike.
We
Not
actually
even.
didn't hear from any video from YouTube, from anywhere. I didn't know about this.
No.
Our host said to us.
Yes.
It's amazing. It's a perfect spot for sunset.
Perfect spot to sunbathe.
Yeah. We found our spot here.
Yes.
It's breathtaking for free.
Yes. It smells so much like trees and nature. Tear up.
Yeah.